So we started demoing the kitchen. We took out this wall. And then that was a closet. We're gonna take out that wall so it could be a nice square kitchen. And then over here, we had the bathtub and a wall, and we just pushed that wall over so we can make this bathroom really big with a nice walk-in, roll-in shower. And then this door, we moved 3 feet that way so we can bring this wall this way. And then there was a closet back there, which we're gonna make into a stand-up shower. And then the toilet was right there. We're gonna move it there. So it'd be sink, toilet right next to each other, and then stand-up shower. Oh, this is gonna look awesome. Ah, new framing, oh my gosh. And then Ben's right there. Okay, and then this part wasn't touched yet. Electrical's almost done. The HVAC system is done.
Thank you for calling the city of Vancouver.
They put that in the middle of the house and I had to move it there. Look at all that. Looks awesome. Ooh. Laundry. Oh my gosh. I asked them to redo this window to a different shape, but they didn't, so I'm just going with it at this point. Okay, we had them build that, the crawl space access. We didn't have one. Here's another bedroom. And then 3 more rooms right there. Wow. Okay, that's the update.
Speak to a representative.